Tom is our tour guide. He will contact us in advance on the meeting point. Alongside the river cruise, he explained to us the places and also taken a lot of nice shot for us. We really enjoyed the river cruise and make a wish to Buddha. Thanks so much, Tom. Wonderful experience and very unique. We traveled along Jiao Prai River up to Wat Paknam and saw the big Buddha from there. Definitely something to try if you are running out of tour ideas. Our tour guide, Ms. Apple, was very friendly and helpful. She took care of us throughout the journey. Very interesting and really worth it. Our tour guide Ken was friendly and approachable. Also, I liked that he provided the history behind the place as we visited, like the Wat Paknam. The giant statue of Buddha in that temple was an engineering marvel. It was impressive in many ways. It was as good as I expected. I visited Dam Nan Sajuak, Latnam, and Kwan Liam floating markets. They were all unique and good, but the downside was that they were far apart. Bangkok Longtail boat was close to our hotel, Orchid Sheraton, so it was a good place to take a quick canal tour with my grandchildren. The guide explained in English. Overall, Wat Paknam is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Buddhism, meditation, or Thai culture and history. Its tranquil setting, welcoming community, and unique blend of traditional and modern practices make it a truly special place to visit. This was a good tour. Got to see how people live along the Klongs, and the temple and Big Buddha were impressive. The longtail boat that runs just above the surface of the water is impressive. I encountered a monitor lizard on the way. Big Buddha seen from the waterway is exceptional. Icon Siam, the place where we disbanded, was also very beautiful, and I was able to enjoy. The booking process was extremely smooth through the Klook website, and the instructions provided to meet the guide were very easy to follow. The ride on the Canal Longtail boat was beautiful, and the view of Big Buddha, Wat Paknam, was spectacular. Thank you to me and my friend truly enjoyed the Longtail boat tour with our guide Tom. This was our first time exploring the canals and seeing less accessible parts of Bangkok. We will definitely recommend this to others. Ali was amazingly knowledgeable and a great guide. He mentioned a lot about Thai culture and each and everything on the entire boat ride. Booked for 8 packs and the tour was just us. Great tour with a friendly guide who prayed for my parents in Thai too. Wat Paknam is definitely a must-see in Bangkok. Canal boat ride made the experience all the more interesting. Thumbs up emoji. I had mishaps locating the meeting point, Sathorn Pier crossing. Please see first picture. Asked a local and was directed to the Sathorn Pier and eventually was directed to cross the bridge. I wasted 15 minutes of my time. Just follow Google Maps and don't ask any local. It would be better, if the guide has a Klook banner or flag, to easily. Wat Paknam is incredible and a must-to-see. Our guide was very polite and helpful. Her knowledge about the temple and its history helped us to enjoy the tour even more. Great trip and meet and greet by Klook. I will be back again. Place is very big and interesting. A lot of picture taking opportunities. Price is okay and a meeting point is very clear. The meeting point was easy to find. Though arrived earlier than the tour guide, so I wasn't initially sure I was in the right meeting point. Then the tour was a bit delayed since there were other members that were late and eventually tagged as no-show. So it seems like we booked a private boat, for 3 packs plus guide. The experience was really nice and the tour guide also took lots of